So I'm here with Wendy, and we're just going to demonstrate our diamond essence for clearing head tension and stress. And it's a wonderful essence that you can use before meditating or anytime you want to kind of lift the mind and help you feel lighter. So this one is good for clearing blocks in the third eye and crown chakra, but it can also be good if you've been under the weather or stressed and you're just looking to lift heavier energy from your body. It's a very focused frequency. When you apply diamond, you can go right around the hairline, okay? So if you watch what I'm doing, it's almost as if she's wearing a crown, okay? And I'm spraying close, and I'm using a little bit more than I normally would. And I'll also go ahead and spray the third eye. So Wendy's been a lifelong meditator, and that's why I wanted to use her as a demo for this, because she's sensitive to these areas.
I feel like I'm being surrounded by healing energy and love. I feel tingling.
Tingling. Where's the tingling at?
Above the hairline where you spray.
Okay. I'm going to clear a little bit in her neck, okay? And I'm going to do one more round with it. And just tell me if there we go. It's just, the idea is just to get around the hairline, but I also went just a little bit into her neck and the dorsal horn of the spine, because there can be blockages that accumulate in that area that can affect, you know, how clearly your overall energy can run. So what happens this time? Is there any shift in it the second round?
I think I'm going into meditation.
See, that is my point. So this essence can really help lift you out of the stress and tension that you're in and put you in a different space. And Wendy just pretty much summed it up. She's going into meditation. So thank you so much for letting me demo that.